demo vid for you guys. This one here is called Shark Bait. It is off the 2016 Black Cat lineup. You guys can see there. It is one of the assorted heavy cakes. Again, it is also 15 shots. And let's look for the description. All right. Description here: unique sea blue effects along with willows, glitter, and crackle attack the sky. Delay crackling mine up to lemon and purple star with glitter, lemon and purple star with crackling willow, sea blue and lemon star with white glitter, sea blue and lemon star with crackling willow, and also lemon and purple star with delay crackle. 15 shots, 500 gram cake. You guys, let's go ahead and light this one up, and of course let me know what you think at the end.
What's on the side?